This is my African American report on Snoop Dogg. This is Snoop Dogg's timeline. I will show a Snoop Dogg music video for after this movie as a credit scene. This is Snoop Dogg's introduction. This is what Snoop Dogg and I have in common. Influences that Snoop Dogg has made on people. This is why Snoop Dogg is important to history. This is where Snoop Dogg's concerts have been. These are my pictures of my person for Black History Month. These are my references. 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 Hey, yo.